here to do an exciting video. I'm actually collaborating with the beautiful SjaayBee. If you guys follow her, you probably do. She's a fellow Winnipeg YouTuber, and we are actually doing a couple of makeup looks for prom/grad season because it is fast approaching. And if you haven't thought of a makeup look, or if you're doing your own makeup and want some inspiration, definitely look at our tutorials. So if you guys haven't seen Sarah's video, I will link it down below. Definitely check it out. She did an amazing job. She did like a smoky, like sultry, edgy, bold look. So if you guys want to see that, definitely check it out. She did an amazing job. My look is definitely girly and glam and pink. So if you have like a pink or nude kind of dress situation, or just want to have pink eyelids for like going to the grocery, like, I mean, you do you, but this is the look that I'm doing for you guys. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. I'm actually just going to put some tape on to kind of make the lines more precise. Alright, so I've already obviously done my brows off camera, so we are just good to go with the eyes. I'm going to start off with priming with the Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. I'm just going to put that all over my eyes. I'm going to use this Pure and BoxyCharm palette that I've been loving, and I'm just gonna take Perfect and I'm just gonna set my eyes with it. So I thought I'd actually like talk about my grad experience because I actually graduated, at least where I live. We don't really have prom, it's more of grad. So in grade 12, that's like where when everyone graduates, and that's when kind of everyone has the like prom-y season, which my like experience was completely different from like the normal experience for grad, because I went to a small high school. Like my graduating class, there was like 40 of us, and so it was a super like small, like super quaint ceremony. I'm gonna take a bell and I'm gonna put that on my crease as a transition shade. I went to a private school, so it was like a Christian school, so it wasn't like a lit graduation. We had the convocation, and then we had the dinner with our family, and we had like the awards, and like all of us, since there was only like 40 of us, we all had speeches like recorded. So yeah, it was like an interesting grad experience. It was super like pure, to be honest. But afterwards we had a grad party. We all slept over at one of our friends' house, and it was pretty fun. Then we went to the beach afterwards, which was cool. Grade 12, once like everyone hit grade 12, well, not everyone, my group of friends at least, we all bought our grad dresses like super duper late. Like I know that I bought mine like a month or 2 months before because I was just like not really planning it. But like a lot of other girls in my grade, they already had like grad dresses in like September, which is when we started like grade 12. So I was like, that is a little crazy. Like I'm still trying to figure out if I'm gonna graduate by the end of the year. So I mean, I'm gonna hold off on buying a grad dress. I'm just gonna keep going and really building up that crease color. My grad dress was like black and tan with lace on it. I love it. I still love it. I graduated in 2014, so that's like a pretty like long time ago now that I think about it. Like I'm not old, but it really makes me feel old. My sister did my makeup, and she did like a smoky eye because I didn't know how to do my makeup at the time. So it was cute. It was a cute little moment. I think this is called Wait For It. It's a single shadow right over here. It's like this peach. Intensify that crease color. A lot of my friends actually had pink kind of nude dresses, so I feel like a lot of girls kind of lean towards those colors, especially for prom or grad. If I could redo grad though, I wish I did a red dress. Like no one in my like grade did a red dress, so I feel like if I did red, it would have been so good. But yeah, I wish I could have done red. That would have been so cute. I have so much to say about like my grad experience. It was super, I don't know, it was super kind of tragic for me because I didn't have a picture of myself during grad. Like it was awful. Like I honestly realized it the next day, and I was like to my friends, I was like, guys, I don't have a picture of just myself like with my dress and everything. And like, to be honest, like nowadays, if like you don't have a picture, did it even happen? Like, I was like about to cry. And so the picture on my Instagram to this day, right now it's still up, for my graduation, is literally me and my friend, and I cropped him out, and I asked him, I was like, is it okay if I copy out this picture, because I don't have a picture of just myself? And he said it was okay. So I mean, like, it's not that bad. I'm still so mad about like not having a picture of just myself for grad. It's like so tragic to me. Put some color on my lid as well, because I want to kind of do a halo eye. So I just want to make sure that all the colors are kind of on my lid as well. This color is called Get Out, right here. Do it on the outer and inner corners, kind of deepen it in color, because this is more of a deep kind of pink. My friends and I, literally, we were on a budget. Like, I know some girls, in my grade at least, they like spent like a lot of money on their grad dresses. And to be fair, I really did not like think about my grad dress until like moments before grad, because I had my 18th birthday, or my debut, like the same like time as I was graduating. So I like was busy with that. I had my debut dress, which was like this princessy dress and totally different from my grad dress. And my mom was like, I'm not gonna buy you a grad dress, but if you like, I'll just buy you your debut dress, and if you want to use it for grad, you can use it again. But I'm like, no, I don't want to use my same birthday debut dress as my grad dress. So I saved up and bought my grad dress from Macy's. Honestly, I went to the States and bought it from Macy's, and they had an amazing selection, so don't even like knock it till you try it. It was there was a lot of selections there, so I wasn't mad about it. So, I was initially gonna do like a rosy, pinky, more nude look, but honestly that's not me, and I'm not gonna do it because I'm not really like a fan of those colors. Like, my mom likes it when I do those looks, but it's too plain for me, to be honest. And for grad, obviously, grad or prom, sorry if I'm calling it grad, because where I live we call it grad. For grad or prom, you obviously want to be extra, so you know, why not go all out? And I'm going to take this color right here called Stay Golden, this guy right here, really focusing that onto the outer corners and kind of putting it in a little bit to my lid and blending. And now I'm going to take Going Steady. It's this deeper kind of purpley color, purpley pink, and really just deepening that even more. So this color is called Cute Alert, and I'm just gonna put that on the ends of my eyes. So now that all of the colors that I kind of want on my lids are on my lids, I'm gonna take the Chart Shape Tape in Light Sand. I'm actually just gonna take this on the middle to kind of make a halo eye. I'm actually gonna use an angled brush. Alright, so I already kind of messed up, but we're gonna go with it. I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna take a flat synthetic brush, and I'm gonna take the shades Sissy and Faint. These two guys. I'm gonna actually wet my brush with Fix Plus, this color right here, and I'm gonna put that all over my concealed part of my eyes. The other color right over here to deepen it a little bit, because it's a little too like light and it looks a little funny. So I'm gonna press that on. Also blend it into the colors on my eyes already. I'm just gonna take one of the fluffy brushes that I used, taking these two, and I'm just gonna put that on the end, kind of blend that in. So because it's a little harsh right now. Alrighty, so I did the rest of my eye makeup. I actually put some eyeliner on my waterline, some black liner. I used the vintage smoky eye pencil and jet black. Maybelline gel liner for a wing liner, and then I also, for my lashes, I used Cocoa Lashes in Stella. So now I'm gonna start on my face makeup. So I'm gonna use the Baby Skin Pore Eraser. I'm gonna focus it mainly on the T-zone because that's when I usually get really oily, and also my forehead. Take my damp beauty blender, and I'm gonna use the Infallible Pro Matte foundation. This is my ride or die. So I'm just gonna put that all over my face. I'm gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just highlight. I'm just gonna put that under my eyes, on my nose, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and my chin. I'm just gonna take some LA Girl concealer on my kind of spots because I have a lot right now. I'm gonna use the Bare Minerals translucent powder, the matte side brush, and just kind of press that into my skin. Next, I'm gonna just set the entire face using the matte Stay Matte powder from Rimmel in Creamy Beige. I'm gonna bronze my face using the Pure Bronzer Mineral Bronzing Powder. Alright, so I'm gonna contour my face actually, and I use the Anastasia Contour Kit, the powder. And I'm just gonna take the 3 shades on the bottom, just dip it primarily in this middle shade right there. I'm just using this Tarte blush in Party. I'm just gonna take this blush brush, put a little bit on my cheeks. So I'm gonna take the Diamond Glow powder from Artist Couture in Illuminati. This literally is so messy, but I don't usually use this because it's so intense, but for grad or prom, it's gonna look so nice, especially at night in pictures. It's pretty glittery, so if you're not a fan of that, I mean, you don't have to, but for parties, I feel like it's gonna be a little bit more appropriate. So I'm gonna finish up my eye makeup, and I'm just gonna take these 2 colors from the High Maintenance palette from Colourpop and put that on my lower lash line. This is in Just in Time. I'm gonna use that on my brow bone and inner corner. For my lips, I'm gonna do something super nude because my eyes are a little intense. I'm gonna take the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in Chi, filling in my lips. I'm gonna take the lip gloss from Colourpop in Lychee Me, and just put that all over my lips. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun making it. But yeah, I hope it was helpful if you were looking for any makeup inspirations for prom or grad or anything in general. I had so much fun making this look, so thank you so much for watching. And I just want to say thank you to Sarah for collaborating with me. She is so nice and sweet and beautiful. She is gorgeous. So if you haven't checked her out, I will leave all her links down below, her Instagram and also her video. If you guys haven't watched it, you should totally watch it. What are you doing? I will link it down below. She did an amazing look, so check that out as well. And if you're coming from her channel, thank you so much for watching my video, and subscribe if you want to. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on all my social media. The links will be in the description box below. So I hope you guys have a great day or night or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!